Hello everyone, and welcome to my channel. In this video, I explain to you how to add a calculator to Microsoft Word. It is a simple feature that you can add to Word, through which you can perform some quick calculations. Of course, you can use and open a separate calculator application, but sometimes you may need a quick answer directly within a document Word you are working on. In other words, you can add a tool through which you can perform some quick calculations on the Word page. To do this, you can open any Word file. After that, go to the top left side of the Quick Access toolbar, click the down arrow button, and from the drop-down menu, select More Commands. And under Choose Commands From, open the drop-down menu, and select All Commands. Then scroll down the list of commands on the left until you reach the tool called Calculate. Select it, and click the Add button to add the tool to the Quick Access toolbar. And click OK. The calculator will be added immediately to the Quick Access toolbar. To use this tool, you can write a simple equation, and then select it, but do not select the equals sign. You will find at the top that color of the tool has been changed to green. Click on the green button and you will find its name formula to display the result. I do not know why it is not called Calculate. The result will be displayed on the left side of the status bar at the bottom of the Word window, so your quick answer is right inside the Word document you're working on. If you experiment and write an equation that is more difficult than the first equation, it will calculate it immediately. You should not use spaces in your equation until it calculates the equation correctly and without error, because the presence of spaces may prevent the calculator tool from working. Thus, the result of any mathematical equation can be displayed quickly while you are working on the Word file, and without using any separate calculator application. I hope that the video is useful to you, and thank you for watching. I also hope you subscribe to my channel. Thank you all.